Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets The Vine located right in the heart of the hotel zone in Cancun. The particular category that we're in right now is a master suite. Now, if you know Secrets, this is one of their most famous rooms that they have, and this one also comes in several different varieties. It's important to note that the layout is exactly the same between the ocean front, which is what we're in right now, and what we're gonna tour, and the ocean view. The only differences are they're on the opposite corners of the tower, so you have the ocean views in the backside. But what's great about the build of this particular tower is that you still get great ocean views, and you're gonna get those bonus views of the lagoon. Now, in addition, this room comes in both the preferred and the non-preferred club variety. Essentially, the preferred club rooms are on the higher floors, so the top 7 floors. They do have really spectacular views, but there's also quite a few preferred club amenities that you'll get if you choose to upgrade, and I'll talk about those throughout the tour. But let me show you what this spectacular suite is all about. As soon as you come in the entryway here, you actually have a little bench right there, nice to sit, and if you need to take your shoes off or get ready. And then as soon as you come in here, what we're actually in is the second bedroom area. Now, generally this is a room for 2 people, but this particular one can have up to 3 adults. On the right side here, you're gonna see the mini fridge underneath. That's gonna be your fully stocked mini bar. You can have that replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. You're also gonna have your Nespresso maker that comes with the pods. Once again, replenish as often as you like. And then those extra snacks under here to the right, those are specifically tied to the preferred club amenities. Continuing in, this entire wall is storage. So it's a bit of redundant storage if you have a couple, but this is actually what could be made up into a second bedroom if that's something you're interested in. In fact, my wife might send me here if I snore a little too loud. But right here, you're gonna have the couch. This does come out into a full couch bed. And you're also gonna have a chair here, so you can also sit here and have a view of the television. Now, another feature that makes this great if you have somebody else staying here or if you just have friends over is this second bathroom right here. You've got your toilet right here, but one of the signatures is that it is a full bathroom. You've got a large shower right over here to the left, and right here you're gonna have your vanity with the full amenity kit. Now, because this is a preferred club variety, you have an even larger upgraded amenity kit, and underneath you've got a stool here to sit and get ready. So now we're headed into the living room. Now, we use this particular suite type for all kinds of configurations. We get a lot of couples, but a lot of times it's a couple who's getting married, or maybe you have friends or a large group that's coming over, or even a group leader. This is just so nice to have this extra large living room space. Now, I did want to mention that the TV actually does swivel around. So if you want to watch TV from in here, that's something that you can do as well. You've got a really large sofa there and 2 large chairs. This coffee table is set up with an arrival amenity, but of course you can utilize this to have one of your meals, or an even better option is this really large table here. You've got bench seating on this side, you have chairs on all the other sides, and once again you can order from that room service menu. Maybe you want to have breakfast right here, or any of the other meals or a snack. So now we're headed into the master bedroom space, and both of these doors do shut off completely. They close so that you have that extra level of privacy from the living room. Now, just behind the bed here, you are going to find your storage. So right here, you'll see you have your robes and slippers there, a lot of hanging storage, and then a little up above as well. And in addition to this one, you're gonna have full storage over here as well. This is where you're gonna find your safe, hanging storage, storage up above, and then down below, you're gonna have drawers. Now, this suite, whether the ocean view or ocean front, it is all about the views, and they have the bed angle to take advantage of some of those amazing views as well. To the left here, you're gonna see that there is a plug next to the bed on either side. It's attached to the lamp. I always bring one of those USB splitters so I can plug it in and charge all of my devices. You've got your phone right here and your remote, and right next to the side of the bed, you have this great feature of the light panel. So they make it really easy whether you want a certain setting or you just hit the total master on or off. So they've paid attention to every single detail. In fact, they've even tucked the television away so that it doesn't obstruct your views when you're in the bed. See here, you've got a separate remote. Press the button and it's gonna come right on up, which will allow you to watch TV, and then when you want to take advantage of the views, go ahead and put it right on down. As we continue around the large king-size bed, you've got this nice round chair angled directly out at the ocean, and then on the other side of the bed, you have your charger. You also have 2 USB chargers with the tablet. Now I wanted to point out the tablet. It's a really fantastic feature that they have here in every single room. You can utilize it to essentially replace the old book that they used to have, like the hotel guide in every single room. You've got all that information. You also have different information on the spa, dining, maybe you want to check out one of the menus or the times that they're open. But what I utilize this the most for is actually to order room service directly from here, or if you're in one of those preferred club variety rooms, you can actually order from the pillow menu as well. So now we're headed into the master bathroom. This does close off here to give a little bit of privacy. And as you get in here, you see the really large double vanity. So to my left, you've got all the lighting. You also have 2 USB charging plugs and your magnifying mirror right here. Underneath, you're gonna find the hair dryer. You also have more towels. Of course, the signature incense that you always have at Secrets. And then you have the scale under there as well. It's a really large double vanity, something I appreciate. And then I wanted to point out that this is a larger amenity kit because this is of the preferred club variety. So to the right, you're gonna have the toilet just inside here. Over here, you have a towel rack and extra towels. Directly behind me right here is the large shower. So you have 2 really large rainforest shower heads up above me. You've got your upgraded bath amenities here. And then I love that they actually have 2 separate controls. It's really nice, so you don't have to have one that's switching over. It gets nice and cold on you. So one unique feature is, of course, the shower door closes on this side, but it actually opens and closes right here as well. You can step right into the bath or take advantage of these beautiful views from here. You have your large soaking tub right here, a great amenity to have in a room of this caliber, but you can sit here and take in the amazing views once again. In addition to that, that's one of those things that your butler can assist with. So one of the signatures of this incredible room is, of course, the massive wraparound balcony. In fact, between the balcony and the room itself, you have nearly 2,000 square feet just for you for your stay. Over here to the left, you have 2 couches, once again perfect if you're hosting some friends. And as we continue to wrap around, what this ocean front is all about is the incredible blues that I have out in front of me. In fact, I think I see 7 or 8 different varieties of blue, aquamarine, and turquoise. It is absolutely gorgeous. As I come around the front here, you do have a table with 4 chairs. It's a perfect place to maybe have that coffee in the morning or room service. And in the distance, you also have 2 more chairs over there as well. You can see how this could be a perfect balcony to host people on. And another fantastic feature here is when you're on the very front side of the ocean front, you get this great ocean view and you also get that extra level of privacy. Now these open up, this opens up completely here on the other side as well, so you can have that flow going right through the master suite. And then over here to my right is the living room area as well. These huge windows open up as well, and you can have this massive indoor-outdoor suite, once again, almost 2,000 square feet. Now in the earlier part of the video, I mentioned that this exact footprint is the same for both the ocean view and the ocean front. So right now we're at the ocean front in the very, very front of the resort, but the exact same room category exists on the back side of the resort. And what's unique about this particular one is if you're in the ocean front, you're gonna get those phenomenal sunrise views. You can come around the corner here and you can get the sunset views as well. And then on the back side, you're also gonna be able to see the ocean and get these really phenomenal sunset views as well. I also wanted to talk a little bit more about the preferred club upgrade. So this exact category comes in preferred club or non-preferred club. You're gonna have a great experience either way, but many of our customers prefer to upgrade. At this particular resort, some of the best features are the fact that you do get checked in directly on your floor, so you bypass the regular check-in. Your butler's gonna check you in right there and take you directly to the room. In addition to that, you'll have the preferred club lounge that you can access throughout your stay. But what makes it really special specifically here at this resort is the beautiful rooftop preferred club pool. I definitely recommend that you check that out. We have a full resort tour of this resort. You can see every single space in detail for you. But that, in addition to quite a few other preferred club amenities, are the reasons why our guests generally decide to upgrade. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the resorts inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with AM, and we know that collaboratively, we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.